plan. Word girl, here to stop my simple plan, eh?
That's simple? Looks pretty complicated to me. Hey!
So long, word girl. Come on, boys. We have a special group of machines to steal.
Okay, this could get a little tricky. Let's try plan number 47 first, followed by half of 12. Suppose your way could work too?
Okay, now, all the goblins are in the car, and the anti-gravity ray is set up, and the blimp is circling overhead. But how do we signal the scuba divers?
Easy. We'll use the sonic ray gun. A simple 23-step plan. Come on, enough shilly-shally, and zap the cart. We're losing time. Distract those guards.
Whoa, look at that.
What are those hideous things?
I'm so distracted.
Hey, look to the left. Yes, success.
Give up now, Two Brains.
It's already done, word girl. Everything worked. The trucks are filling up with cheese. Oh, there's no way you can stop me now.
Feeling perfect.
Yep, told you it was a simple plan.
Yeah, I guess. Whoops. Looks like your truck has a flat tire there.
That.
You're right, Dr. Two Brains. Simple is better than complicated. And